Firefighter Bodycam videos are completely blowing up on YouTube right now. If you look closely at this channel, they are pulling 23 million views and 17 million views on these short-form videos. This niche works incredibly well because the emotional stakes are always sky high. The RPM for action-packed storytelling is massive, and competition in this content is very low because people think it takes hours to produce. To show you the proof, here is what I had made in 5 minutes.
He's still inside! Please, you have to get him! We're moving! Hold on to me!
All right, now let me tell you how to make videos like that. First, you need this master prompt. You will find its link in description. Now copy this prompt and paste it into chatgpt and hit enter. And now GPT will provide us different video ideas like a missing child or a trapped pet. Now we will choose the idea that stands out in a different way. For example, I am going with the first one. Then GPT will provide us image prompts for each scene and also camera movement in video prompt. Now it's time for video generation. Copy the first scene prompt. Now open Flow AI. Here choose create video and choose your aspect ratio. Paste the prompt here and hit generate. And within seconds, our video is ready. Save it. Now using the same method, generate all the scenes and align them in any editing software, and your video is ready. And if you want more such hidden niches, subscribe to the channel.